It is something like when we start any new thing, advertisement says like this way. We'll start with sweet. You know that? Have you seen advertisements and all that? So my mother told that whenever we start a new thing, we will start with a sweet. So we will do like this way. Whenever we have any class, we will start with a prayer. Okay. So I welcome you all for the session that is getting started now. Say our way of doing, I will tell you, and what exactly you are expected to do, and what is our overall objective. We don't have this blackboard, whiteboard concept. So some 5 years back or so, we have just eliminated that. As we know that necessity is the mother of all invention. Sometimes some inconveniences also have become the background of using technologies. So like I've been using this blackboard, and this white chalk piece which was inhaled caused a lot of health problems, and therefore we have dispensed with blackboard. And with whiteboard, even the front benches, they will not be in a position to see properly because of the other reflections. They can't just see fully. I hope that you can easily understand that. Then we have felt that we can use technology. The technology is like this way. This computer, what we have is, you can write on the computer and it is reflected on the screen, and therefore when it is recorded or when it is there in the computer, it can be recorded also. So therefore recorded version of our class is also available. So this is the background as why we are using technology. Technology is not used for the sake of usage. It brings us a lot of convenience, and that is what we have just done. But our primary objective is the same as we were doing during blackboard days. So therefore, one more important thing or convenience that you have in this sort of setup is that when I am writing it in page number 1, or I am just in the second page, next one, third page, I can roll back to first page, and which is not the case in blackboard, because the area that it occupies, where the teacher has got no other area to use, so he will remove it. So therefore it gives only convenience and not inconvenience. Okay, this is about what is the tool and all that. Of course, when you use technology, it is dependent on power, which is a scarce commodity in this part of the country. So sometimes we have power backup also, and power backup is not unlimited, it has got a limitation there also. So I am just telling you the background that we have. Now coming back to the objective of attending to class, what is that we are expected to do in the class? So before I could say something about the class, let me find out from you people, as in CA course, who are majorities, failed candidates or passed candidates? Failed candidates, okay. So they are majority, but minorities are passed candidates. Now if you have observed, you come up to final level. So you have entry level CPT, and next one intermediate level PCC or IPCC. And now we are into final. So you would have seen either this failure would have occurred to us or to others. So we know what is a failure. It is not necessary that we should experience directly. What could be the reason for failure in general? Can you just give any reason for failure? Very difficult question. Very easy question in fact, but very difficult to answer. To pinpoint as this could be the reason. What could be the main reason? Huh? Easily, lightly. Lightly they take up. Or lack of seriousness. Both are same. This is the way normally our CA student also writes under examination condition. Same point, but in different words, active voice, passive voice and all that. Lightly, lack of seriousness. Then that I will not agree with you. Lack of conceptual clarity, majority I will not consider that way. So, then, right, approach to exam. See, but it may be appropriate for the first time, no? But repeated failures are there in CA. A luck factor. But still, the correct reason has not come. I can tell. I am not saying that these are not reasons. These items are also reasons, but main reason has not come. Time management. To some extent, this reason is correct, but not exactly we are targeting. Lack of complete coverage. See, this I am not in a position to understand. Even if those who have cleared the examination, if you ask them whether they have completed all the pages or chapters, definitely they will not give this, not only for CA but also for any other examination for that matter. So if you have taken those who cleared CBSE and Tamil Nadu State Board, that is first in the school or first in the district or in the board as a whole, they wouldn't have covered 100%. Even 200 out of 200 or 100 out of 100, they wouldn't have covered. They were so lucky that whatever they have studied had come. It could be like that. So what I feel is, people are basically intelligent. They lack in working. The practice, lack of practice only. Lack of practice. This is my observation, which I consider as contributing towards failure. So lack of practice in the sense, firstly let us know what is a practice. What is a practice? I tell from my experience, definitely you people will accept that this could be the main reason. So if you are bringing out a correction in this, then success is ensured. Attending to the class will not give you guarantee that you will clear the examination. So in the very first class itself I am telling you. So normally people would just tell, if you attend to class here you will become rank 1 holder and all that. That is not correct. So success is not in this side. Success is in your side. Why then you attend to the coaching class, that I will tell you. What is that practice? So I am just taking up my experience in my life which had happened very recently. From there I am telling you. There is one institute in UK you have, ACCA Institute. Many of you would be knowing. So this particular institute is offering diploma in IFRS. I took up June 11 examination and my name was not there in the list of past candidates and it was a failure. I will tell what could be the reason. I took it lightly. Because I had a feeling, okay, I have just taken class for CA final accounting standards. So it is not a big thing. When I just thought it was, when 3 months before the examination, that day I thought I will start. I took all that book and some other work came. I thought only one day we will just skip. So went on this way, and when we had 2 months, then we thought, okay, 2 months there. 2 months there. Only 1 month gone, 2 months there. Instead of preparing 3 hours, we will prepare 4 hours, 5 hours and we will make it up. So this is a sort of a rabbit's technology, or you can say that sort of attitude we had. What is that? Rabbit was sleeping. He thought, okay, tortoise would just go slower, we will go faster. 1 month gone like that. 1 more month you had. At least 1 month is there, okay, we will finish. Any of you have just done, or any of your friends have done like this? Please let me know. Yes. CA join manna appadha. So we will have that sort of feeling. We will always be postponing that we will not practice at all. Then finally only 1 week I had. Only 1 week I had. And in the office when we have our work, people will be disturbing. Then I thought, okay, we will put it in shopper's bag, all these books, and go to Anna Centenary Library for studies. I just went. To my surprise, most of our CA students are there. Most of our CA students are there. They were just looking at what I am just doing. So, it is better that I study at office where I will have only very few members to see me. And in this shy feeling itself, I took only 3 days in Centenary Library, and I wrote the examination just for the sake of writing examination. Even with that poor preparation, I just got 32 marks. That gave me confidence that December examination I will clear. I have cleared, pass. And it was 59 marks I scored. Not even 60, 59. Only one paper, 3 hours examination, and I have cleared. What is a big secret in this is that what I have lacked practice. So, from the day when I completed this June, from that day onwards, I started studying. Only 1 hour I studied. 1 hour only I studied. Towards the end, I have increased the total time, and by the time I was about to take up the examination, and during the examination, soon after the examination, I knew that I will clear the examination. So, this I am not conveying it from what I have cleared in May 87 examination. 1987 was my qualifying attempt. I am not picking up the there is experience of 87. I am picking up the information of the latest one. The results came only by February. So, this being my observation about what caused failure and what resulted in success. So, in the process, I am not telling that I have cleared diploma in IFRS. That is not my objective. My objective in this, people just fail only on account of this. And of course, time management, our friend had just conveyed, was correct. Unless we prepare nicely at the very initial stage, we will not be in a position to manage. So, when a student from Hyderabad had just asked, sir, can you just help me out in clearing diploma in IFRS? I said, okay, I will try, but I cannot assure. What is the fees? I said, no fees you require, I will do it free. So, we just have our class between 9 to 11 p.m. Between 9 to 11 p.m. we do have the class through Skype. I hope that all of you will be knowing as what is Skype. Skype I am just using, and on the other side the student would be having. So, screen sharing will be there. What I write here, you can see there. So, I have sent all my books, taken Xerox copy and sent it by courier, and he got it, and he is having the notes, and he is preparing for the examination. So therefore, what I have just felt is that this time management, there I told him, you should concentrate on one particular topic. So this I am telling you, daily we are spending some time, either 2 hours or 45 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, but some time is just getting spent. Now, let us just come to our CA. What is that we should take? What is that we should do? We should set to ourselves a basic standard that we should study basically for 3 hours. Attending the class is not the time that you should count. 3 hours for one subject for one day would mean, so you just observe how many hours that you have in a day. So it may not be possible for you to have all the papers studied in one particular day. So you allocate your own time within a week. how many hours of class that you have got to study. There is not class, how many hours you have got to study of your own. So if you look into that, so definitely you would be finding your job becoming very, very easy during the last few months and during the last few weeks. Otherwise, supposing this practice is not there, towards the end, the pressure will be mounting like anything. And normally people used to give this advice only at the concluding class. By that point of time, you would have lost the time also. So, therefore, I don't want to tell all this. Towards the end, I am telling you right at the very initial stage. And what you do is that from now onwards, you start studying. So, this I have observed when I was in CA. When I felt that many of them have just told, CA, where did you join? CA course. Then people immediately, those who knew about CA, they were telling, oh, CA. Some of them have just gone, very good, tough, study. Another one had just a CA, more failures. How would you manage? Fear was more, that fear, what should I say, phobia was there in me. Because many people just said that we will meet only with failure. And fortunately, I heard all this story right at the very initial stages of the course. And this enabled me to study properly. There was one particular paper, what you call today as ISCA. That point of time it was SADP, System Analysis and Data Processing. I have not seen a computer by then. But I have to write about System Analysis and Data Processing. So, in the CA Institute, they will have one room, it will be locked, and from the outside, through that window only, they will say this is computer. So it is something like museum or in the zoo where it will be just shown this is a computer. Oh, big computer, big screen was there and green color screen was there. So whatever you type in green, it will just come, background it will be dark. And I was just thinking CPU is there in the screen. That was my understanding. But I scored the maximum in CA 75 only in that paper. So your knowledge and marks will not match at all. So please just don't worry about all the marks and all that. Pass in CA is more than enough. Soon after that, what you do is the reality. So therefore, the first and foremost objective is to clear the examination. How to clear the examination? Now I am telling you very clearly. You need to have practice. To have a practice, you require knowledge. Either you should sit and study or you attend to the class. Now tell me, what is the advantage of attending to the class? I didn't attend to any of the classes except for income tax, and that too halfway through I just backed out. So can you tell me what is the advantage of attending to the class? Now I told you the reason, lack of practice. If you practice, you can clear the examination. This is what I am telling. To practice you require knowledge, and knowledge either you can study of your own or you can attend to the class. But what is the advantage of attending to the class? Concepts can be understood easily. That's very important. Quickly. Correct. Self-study, I will tell you what difficulty we will be facing. Self-study, I told you that I got 75. I mugged up something which I didn't know what for I am just doing. At least some 1.5 years before the examination, I started doing. Many people reported failure in that particular paper, like what you find in the case of ISCA today. People said it's very difficult. Then I just understood what is flow chart. Flow chart and all that, logical version was there. Many of the matters I got to mug up. That is what people told. If you write verbatim from the institute material only, they will award. Then I started mugging up. No other go. But I have just understood that CPU is there in the screen. So 75 marks and your knowledge has got no. Later on we have understood something correct. At the initial stage we never. So what I am trying to say is that you need to develop that sort of association. When you are attending to the class, you will get to know what you are going to study quickly. If you are doing of your own, what you are doing, you are not knowing as whether it is right or wrong. Where to start, where not to start, these are the problems that we face. So therefore attending the class will enable you to understand the concept quickly and Focus also you will be having. So you have SATP material, so many pages and all that. We do not know where to study, which one to study first, which one to study later. We do have these problems even in accounting standards also. How come? In the first few paragraphs they say as given in para number 78 is what they will tell. So therefore what is that our mind would say? We wouldn't have studied 78 when we are in the range of 1 to 10. Then what is that our mind will tell? From here we will jump to para number 78. We will go to para number 78. Then they will say as per the treatment of 58. So where to start and what is the sequence that we got to adopt will be a big problem. So therefore by attending to the class, you don't have to just go through the accounting standards text in the same order as they are printed from 1 to 100 or whatever may be that. So you can learn quickly and you know what to study. Of course, if you do the practice, of course some of our friends have said luck factor. Yes, luck factor I will accept. Luck factor is a very important factor. If you are very lucky, you are just clearing the examination. I know a student who secured, who just had a long innings in intermediate. He had no other go in the industry for employment, so he continued with the same chartered accountant firm. So almost he was looking like an auditor, but in age also, and he had just took up his final by chance, in the sense that June 2009, it was in 2009, it was not May examination, it was June. So all of a sudden he had 1 month, that sort of extension. He took his first chance of CA final at the age of 32. When he called, it was February. He was asking about a class. I said there was no class by February for May examination. Sir, for June. He said nothing doing. At that point of time, no coaching class. Classes will get over by February end or March 15. You can't attend to any class. Then I have sent him a book. He scored in SFM 80 marks and he scored exactly 200 in first group. He got 80 in only one paper and 200 exactly in first group. Then how many marks you would have secured in each one of those other papers? Exact 40. Just understand, a person who took a chance and cleared the examination this way. Then another one, this student who had a very brief point of time in our office got 190 in first group, 210 in second group. In auditing or some paper, I don't exactly remember, 40. Just understand, somewhere some 1 mark gone. Would mean, so today she is working in an MNC and drawing around 60,000 rupees per month salary. In November 11 examination, she took and cleared the examination. So luck factor also a very, very important thing. Of course, approach to the examination you always get in the classroom. Lack of seriousness, you please just drive away. You get involved in the class. Please understand who is the beneficiary. I am not the beneficiary. So you are the beneficiary. You have come to learn in the class and definitely success is ensured. Please don't take it lightly. Take it up seriously. So I can tell you that by coming to the class, 75% of your problem would be over as far as knowledge is concerned. 25% only you have got to do. But you have got to do slowly in small in numbers. Right from the first day onwards, you do that. Develop that and you can clear the examination. Now, one more problem that a CA student at the very initial stage would be finding, and possibly it may continue in you also. So, I will tell you some incident or something you would have experienced, and possibly you may not be knowing as how to tackle them, or you may be knowing also. Whenever you take up, say, auditing paper, that is auditing study material, and when you start reading the pages, it had happened in me when I took up auditing paper for my intermediate, halfway through I was just going through in that particular page. My mind immediately went for this corporate law. So I started studying how am I going to manage with corporate law. So my mind is neither in auditing nor in corporate law. I closed it and kept it there, took corporate law, started studying this. So corporate law in the sense, for final I am telling, that point of time this was a different paper. Then I was halfway through in that particular page, I was just thinking about ISCA. People say it is very difficult, so my mind was not going. I am taking ISCA, this way my table was full. My parents were looking at my progress in studies. I am not moved from that place for 3 hours, lot of books added. They are all very happy, oh, son is studying very nice. But I have a problem, I am a silent sufferer. So this sort of problem if you are having, anybody having like that? So most of the CA students should be having, only then they are CA students.